What we've got here, F450 unit bearing, the cup, a brake system, everything to put it on your rear housing. Hey guys, coming to you from the shop today, talk to you about a product we've been working on for a long time, and man, we finally got all the little pieces to it done and really are ready to release this as a total kit. We're also releasing rear housings, 14 bolts, 80s with the rear cups. Rear cups is a roller kit. That means it'd have unit bearings and then rear cups, unit bearings, and brake kits, and then complete turnkey rear axles that'll have cups, unit bearings, everything else ready to go. The 450 unit bearing is really cool for a lot of different reasons. For one, it's just big and strong. It's a lot bigger than the F350 stuff that we used to use. We're not seeing any issues with breakage or anything else out of these things, wearing them out or nothing else off-road. We're taking Timken unit bearings, remachining them 8 on 6.5, putting 9/16 studs in them. Then all of them that we sell, we go ahead and put this little ABS block off. Take the factory bolt out, pull the ABS plug out, put this in. We actually have this little piece for sale alone on the website if you're doing your own thing with your unit bearings. But all of them that we sell have this little plug and the 9/16 studs, and it's drilled 8 on 6.5, standard pattern. So one other cool thing about this is we have the drive puck. This drive puck right here is 40 spline, and that means that you're able to run true 40 spline in your rear axle without worrying about limitations from a spindle or anything else. This thing's super quick to change in and out. There's no bearing preload or anything else. But you need this bearing cup to put onto the rear axle. So take your rear axle tube, whenever you cut it off, you turn this right here around, take it to any machine shop. They can bore this inner diameter to fit. They come pre-bored 3.5. We can open this up to 4-inch to fit Dana 80s or a 4-inch 14 bolt. So another cool thing about the cup is it's got multiple different locations on here for a brake bracket that we have. Anytime you buy the cup from us, it comes with all the bolts and hardware you need to mount the unit bearing in it. So that way, if you're providing us with a unit bearing or whatever else, we're giving you the bolts that you need to put the unit bearing to the cup that we're selling you. Brake bracket, here you can see the brake bracket mounted. I talked about you've got multiple different locations to mount Wilwood 4-piston or 6-piston caliper, any rotation or whatever else around the rear end. So makes it very versatile, and it's all a bolt-on deal. If you want it, it's just an add-on. Takes a 14-inch rotor, 3-inch thick, and then a lightweight aluminum hat. That's a slip-on rotor, slips right on over the unit bearing. We'll spin this thing around and talk about the front side of it. All right, so here you see the rotors slipped on over the unit bearing. We have drive pucks that are already 40 spline, internally set inside the unit bearing, and then a nice cover that comes all in one kit. So what we've done is put together a complete package with the 450 unit bearing kit to build a rear axle. You buy these cups, provide your own bearings, or buy our bearings, or whatever way you want to do it, but this cup's the main building block off of it. Buy it, weld it on your rear axle. We've got a nice register in here that the cup goes on and bottoms out. You weld the thing inside and out. That way you make sure the cup will never come off. We've got the whole thing figured out for you in any stage that you want to do. So to check out all these products, go over to craneaxle.com and you can see different options, prices, whatever else. Also check them out with the axle builder kits because we already have them mounted to Dana 80s and 14 bolts.